operate the machine. 300 liters ELC HMI, 300 liters vacuum homogenizers mixtures. Here is the main powers. And right now, this shows me the three-phase power already to supply from. So I push it up buttons. Okay. Here, this HMI will showing it is working and it came on, and maybe you should wait at this minute to turn it on. And also the on light will turn the lighter yellow light. Okay, here we can start entering into the HMI systems, just like this. So it's very easy. So when I touch these buttons, the screen will into the main operations pages. Here is the main pages. So that's how I would like to operate the few machines. So first is, before I want to start the machine, I would like to make the hygienic needs device going up to check everything. Okay? And here is okay. I push the button going up to buttons, and the machine, the hygienic device is going up automatically, and the people don't need to continue press this button. So just like this, it's very easy to operate it. So it will need about 20 or 30 seconds to go in the highest positions, and it will automatically stop. So right now, it is going up. So when this hygienic going up, the operators should be carefully to listen the noise. If the noise is very good, okay, the machine, the hygienic device, no problems. So don't be care about it. And also have to check here, this one. This one, check its cleanness. Check if some damage inside of it and of the others, and also, of course, and so we check the inside contents, the cleanness. If it's not clean, the operator should be used white cloth to clean or use the CPI systems to clean it like that. So when I check this, everywhere is clean. Use the white cloth like this. Okay, if it's okay, of course, don't worry. Everything is fine. So after the operators check it, so they should use this hygienic device going down. Okay. Right now, the hygienic device is going down. But now here, the operators should be careful about other some things, such as the noise. If the noise is good, okay, do be careful. Everything is fine. So I'm waiting. Please be very careful. Recently, she is one operator running. So there are people should not touch or close the machine because it is very dangerous. Okay, so he should be careful. Okay, when the light is on, that means the hygienic device is going down the limiter, and the operator can check the other things. So here is the main port's heating function, and main port's diaries, main port's emulsifying, and other functions such as the lighter the vacuum pump is running water, and the main port discharge. The main port can like this and discharge the materials. And the main port use the CPI, system clean the port like this. Okay, so here I would like to change the other things. The temperature setting. Main oil ports, water ports, and main ports temperature here. You can change it. And here can change it. This is the steering speed can change it from the frequency. Okay, here is the humidifier speed is also can change it. Here is one point is for this machine the highest frequency is 16. So the operator should allow what is the real temperatures it is. The operator should be think about it and how long for the humidifier should be running. For the cross-scope, for the cream or cream products, normally it's just about 10 minutes or 50 minutes. So it depends on the process. And also we can check the wind temperature pages. Every temperatures, each port temperature can settings. And here is the oil and water ports operations pages. Can check it. Here is a lot of function. Of course, if you want to learn more, I would like to have another strings to show you. And here is the ARM pages. ARM pages means if there have some breakout, it will show you what is the problems and what should you do to solve the problems. So we call it the troubleshooting pages. And right now I'm going to show the cabinets. Here is the cabinet. Here is the cabinet. Here is the frequencies controllers here. And here is the relays. And here is the air breakers like this here. So inside it, we can change the programs for the automatical. If the operators need the special programs to control the operators, of course, tell us and I will change the programs and to reach the customer's requirements. Here is. And overall feature can have the UL certifications, and other certifications if the customer needs. Of course, for the main port, we can also offer the ASME certifications and the CE and high pressure container pressures. Okay, right now I am in another base to show you what every part is and how does it work. So here, this one is the cabinet for oil porter and water porters, and also the heat functions power key is also located here. So that means the operators can operate here, and this one can work. I can show you that this one is the oil heating function. Like this, okay, this light indicator is on. That's this oil. This oil port tablet heating is on and it's working. And when the temperature arrives at the same temperatures, okay, it will automatically stop. And this is the water process heating functions. It also means, okay, the water process project heating is okay, is working on. So I can also come here. This one is the oil process theory in science. Why? It is sterile because it is hot in the tank, and the oil or the water should be running smoothly, and then different places, oil or waters where touched inside walls to heating, arrive at the same temperatures. So it's very, very important. And of course, we can also set some functions to change the water speed from 0 to 1,014. Of course, I can press the button. Okay, this model is running here. Also, the operator should be careful about the models. If the load is very high, stop, listen, and we check everything. If it is okay, no problems. Let it running like this. This is the oil process tanks there. Okay. The operator should also very careful about it. If the oil is okay, not work okay, it can work. Okay? Like this. So now I'm going to display this part of the main process. This is the main force. This is the main force. And the operators can open the main force and check it inside what is like this. And here is the windows. In the windows, the operators can check inside and say what's happening. And of course, this one can move it out. Use the watches, move it out, and change everything. So after that, we can close this box, and the label covers will be closed. So it is very important to do this job. Why? Because the main force in vacuum status when it makes the products. So it's very important to make it tightly and clean the tank fully. And this is the filters, air filters. When does the filters inside it, there is filters. The filters precisely is different. I can show you one. You can see here is the filters. This filter is the breathe out and breathe in. So if this valve is working on, it means the air can go into the tank solution valves. If that works, if there are a lot of pressures, this pressure will go out from this side. And what this function is cleaning the air's clearance. It is very, very important for this one. Especially when to breathe out, it's very, very important to clear the products and make process clearance. So for how we should use the different precisely features, it depends on your product's quality requirements. So And here, when we check this, and of course, we should clamp it on. Okay, you can see it's very, very easy to tighten. So it's the air filters. And this one is the freeze filters here. Here is the message inside it to protect the fragrance. If the fragrance have the metal as that, if you go into the vapors, it will damage the emulsifier's hands. So it's very, very important. And this is the controls valve for ratio functions place. And here, this one is for the CIP systems. That means the CIP systems already connect to here if the operators make sure to clean the mechanics of those. The operators just needed to clean the clean buttons and it will clean automatically. And if it is already for cleans, of course, the operators just cleans off and it will get fine. So this part is for automatically sample the materials from oil tank and water tank to the main tanks. How to operate this one is actually, it is also the operators can go to the HMI size and touch the buttons and it will run automatically. So right now, I said if you have some hard things, please turn me and make the logs to me. So here is another question: how to find what's the stationary requirements is actually for the materials who is working and touching with the materials. It should be SS316L. Other place for this process, if one touches the materials, it should be 304 productions materials. Okay, so right now I would like to say thank you for your time and your attention. If you have any other questions, please tell me and I will reply you as soon as possible.